Hey guys, today I want to show you a very easy way how you can transfer UVs from one object to another. So let's say I have one object that already has UV map, and I also have a duplicate that has exactly the same topology like this object. So let me quickly show you how you can copy UVs from this one to this one. So you go to your modeling menus, then you go to Mesh, and select Transfer Attributes and click on the settings. Here, make sure you have UV sets all, and as a sample space, you need to select topology because we are using two objects with exactly the same topology. So first select the object that already has UVs, then select your target object and click Apply. And now you can see that our target object has exactly the same UV like our original object. But what if you have another object that has exactly the same shape as your target object, but you have changed topology somehow? For example, for this one, I used smooth command in Maya. Here's a way you can still transfer your UVs to that object. If both of these objects has the same orientation, all you need to do is to make sure they have pivots in the center, and instead of topology, you can choose local sample space. So let's try that. I'll select my original object, then I'll select target object and click apply. You see, even though both of them has different topology, we still managed to copy UVs. And if for some reason it doesn't work, there is another way you can do it by just manually aligning those two objects. For example, I'll select both of them and then I'll use modify align tool. And here all I need to do is just to make sure that both objects are matching each other, just like that. Now I need to select my original object first, the one that has UV, then my target object, and then in the sample space you can select world, and it will mean that Maya will just look at the position of your vertices, and based on that it will copy UV from one object to another. So let's click apply. And there is something interesting about that method is that you can still move and adjust your object. If I start moving it a little bit, you will notice that UV keep changing because since you have history on, Maya will still look at all the position of the vertices, and based on that, it will rearrange your UV set. So the more I move it, the less accurate it became. If I want to fix that, all I need to do is to go back where I had them perfectly aligned together. Then I go Edit, Delete by Type, History. Now I can move it safely without changing UVs.